A question we often get asked here at Honest Betting Reviews is, what is the best betting system? We have tried literally hundreds of systems over the years, and to be frank, most of them are pretty rubbish. The vast majority of them don't work and will lose you money. There are so many scams, rip-offs and downright garbage out there, stuff that appears one day promising you untold riches but then disappears the next, never to be seen again. However, whilst there are a great deal of systems out there that don't work, thankfully there are a few that do. So we take a look below at the best betting systems we have found, which have made money under live trial conditions and have sound logic to them that should hold up in the long term. Most of the betting systems out there are junk. That is the fact of the matter, unfortunately. The internet is something of a wild west when it comes to things like this, so many scams and overhyped marketing nonsense out there, it kind of makes you sick. Sadly, in an arena like this without any regulation, that is the way things have gone. We have tested hundreds of betting systems over the years and the vast majority haven't worked. And worse than that, they have actually cost us money. Thankfully though, there are a few good ones out there among all the rubbish. These are the systems that can actually make you money and have been tested extensively by us. Above is our list of the top 5 best betting systems we have found. Feel free to give them a go. Most of them come with a trial period where you can have a go for a couple of weeks for a small fee, so you can see if they are for you without committing a great sum of money. And hopefully you will join the many thousands of people making a regular tax-free income from these systems.